Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is an easy way to make a paper rosette. Choose a colored paper of your choice and print the 2 pages of patterns on it. Start by cutting out the large rectangle that is divided into 2 panels by a vertical line. Crease the folds over the width of both panels. If you have a table with a sharp edge, you can use the edge of the table to mark the folds. Continue until you have creased all the folds. Cut along the center line to get 2 rectangles. Put a little bit of white glue on the last strip of one rectangle and glue the first strip of the other rectangle on it so that they form one long strip of paper. Let dry. Fold the long strip into a fan fold. Put white glue under the last fold and glue the first fold there. The result is a circular fan fold. While the glue dries, cut out the ribbons. Glue the ribbons together at an angle. Now cut out the 2 circles. Take the vertical fan fold and flatten it horizontally without crushing the folds. Put a dot of hot glue in the center to hold it in this position. Hold it until the glue sets, otherwise it will return to the vertical position. Take the ribbons that you have already glued together and glue them in the middle of the rosette. Then glue a circle in the center on top of the ribbons. Turn the rosette over and glue the second circle to the front. Print the page with the words titles on yellow cardstock, for example. You can choose the big number 1 or number 1 daddy, or you can also write your own message. Cut out the chosen circle and glue it in the center of the front circle. If you wish, you can also glue a brooch pin on the back of the rosette. This project can be used to celebrate any other occasion as well. To print the document with the patterns, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplace website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects